Dear colleagues, I am pleased to invite you to actively participate in the Emirates Surgical Pathology Conference 2026, particularly through our abstract submissions. Abstracts are a cornerstone of ESPC, showcasing original research, educational cases, and innovative diagnostic approaches from our pathology community. We encourage pathologists, residents, fellows, and researchers to submit their work and contribute to the scientific dialogue that defines this conference. In previous editions, abstract presentations have played a vital role in fostering discussion, collaboration, and knowledge exchange across subspecialties and institutions. ESPC 2026 continues this tradition by providing a supportive and high-quality platform for sharing your work. I strongly encourage you to submit your abstracts and be part of this dynamic exchange. We warmly welcome you to the Emirates Surgical Pathology Conference, ESPC 2026, taking place from 13 to 15 November 2026 in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. For abstract guidelines and important dates, please visit espcuae.com. See you at ESPC 2026. Bienvenidos.